Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Kawasaki ZX6R Monster Edition. This bike has just under 29,000 miles on it and is still in great condition. Has been set down gently on both sides and got a couple of minor scuffs and scratches on it. So we'll take a walk around it. I'll show you what I found and then we'll fire it up. Like I said, overall this bike is in really great shape. It does have a few minor scuffs on it. It's actually been ridden. It's got some miles on it. So we've got a little bit of scuffing here on the front fender. Front tire's still in great shape. Comes with frame sliders, which did their job because that's scuffed up just a little bit, but saved the side of the bike. And we've got a little scuffing here on the edge of the exhaust. Bike comes with a tank pad. Also has a fender eliminator, along with aftermarket rear turn signals. We're going to put a new rear tire on this bike. Again, tank pad. So, we got a little dent here, and a little rock chip here. And again, on this side, when it tipped over, you can see the frame slider, but it did its job. And a couple of little minor scratches back here on the tail section. But, you know, like I said, so it's pretty minimal. You know, just a few little marks, and still a good looking bike. Alright. 28,760 is what's on it. This ZX6R Monster Edition will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.